Yeah.
Go!
We've got our tracks covered thanks to your older brother. It's not the moonlight that sets me off, it's not the money that makes me starve. It's my impeccable disorder where I keep on falling for her. It's not the way my mother talks, it's not the people that she mocks. It's the nature of the experiment, it's the patterns of my temperament. It's the nature of the experiment that's taken me in increments. Well, halfway up the bracket, the rain comes through my jacket. It's not the stones inside my shoes, it's not the risk of what's to lose. It's an ancient Russian proverb, I doubt it's one that you've heard. It's not the cracks beneath the floor, it's not the fact that it's a chore. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it's the nature of the experiment, it's the patterns of my temperament. It's the nature, the experiment, that's taking me in increments.